Brought to you by Express Care Health and Skin Center. Get in, get out, get better.
Healthy Living Tuesdays continues right here on KUAM News Extra. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Jason Salas alongside my good friend Dr. Jitka Lom from Express Care. Doctor, many questions. We're talking about warts tonight. We have several people from the community who posted their questions on our Facebook wall. Are you ready to attack these?
Yes.
Okay, so of course we are talking about warts. And gentlemen, in the back by the miracle that is computer graphics, somebody asks, can genital warts be permanently cured? And this person lists no name.
Right. So genital warts are upsetting to people. The good news is that in general they will kind of burn out after a couple of years of being there if your immune system is healthy. In people who have HIV or other serious health conditions, they may not go away. But in general, they will come and go for a couple of years. In that time, they can be treated to help the ones that are there actually disappear. And again, we can use a topical cream that's a prescription. It works very, very well. It's painless. Or we can use slightly more painful techniques like burning, freezing, or cutting. We try to avoid that.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, that's good to know. Okay, Janet hails from Agana Heights, and in our second question, you kind of alluded to this before we went to commercial break, but she asked Dr. Lom, if I have a wart on my hand and I rub my face, will it cause a wart to appear on my face?
It might, especially if you have any abrasions or bumps, small breaks in the skin on your face. The wart could transfer over. So it would be a good idea to keep your wart covered with a Band-Aid. The kind of wart that tends to really do this are flat warts. You can develop dozens and dozens of these on the face. They get burned off generally as a procedure in the office.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, our third question comes from Cindy P., and Cindy is from down south. She's an agate. Cindy writes, I have a rather unsightly wart on my hand, once again. What is the most effective treatment for that?
So buy some over-the-counter wart lotion. You can put that on. Compound W is a popular name. Put that on every day, follow the directions on the bottle, and keep it covered with a Band-Aid. If that doesn't work, you can come into the office. We can freeze it, burn it, cut it, inject it. Sometimes all kinds of creative treatments are necessary, but we'll get rid of it.
Are warts generally painful to the touch of the of the bearer?
They are if they're on your foot and you're walking on the sole of your foot.
Sure.
It can feel like a stone in your shoe. On the hands, it's not often that painful, just ugly.
Oh, okay, just unsightly. Okay, and our last question comes to us from a gentleman by the name of Nicholas Terlahi, and Nicholas asks, Dr. Lom, my cousin said that he gets rid of his warts by covering them with duct tape. Does this even work? And hopefully not pulling off, because I think that would be rather painful. even Scotch tape.
Yeah, no, actually duct tape does work. It's
okay.
It is a medically proven therapy. A scientific study was actually done with duct tape, and it does work because what the duct tape does, you put it on the wart and you leave it on for a period of about 6 weeks. You can change the tape in between, but basically it's causing a chronic irritation of the skin there and helping your own immune system see that there's an area that it needs to work on, and then hopefully it will find the wart and destroy it.
Well, I stand corrected. Even our graphics guy, Steve, in the back and everything, he's amazed right now. I did not know that. So duct tape is kind of like a, a really good home remedy.
A home remedy, yeah.
Okay.
So you could use your compound W and cover it with duct tape and just leave it on and give it about a month.
Okay, that's pretty remarkable. Okay, so that's basically all the questions. Is there anything else that the community should know about warts, or I mean, there are so many different resources online where people can check, or people can come see you at Express Care.
They can. I think just patience is necessary for wart treatment, understanding that as hard as we try, we may not get rid of it in one session because the warts can be kind of deep, and whatever treatment you do may not get to the actual base of it. So sometimes more than one treatment is necessary.
Okay, and then real quick, how many patients complaining of warts do you typically see in a year out here on ground?
Oh, right now we're seeing dozens and dozens because it's back to school time and everybody's trying to get their children's warts cleaned up before school starts.
Right in time for school pictures.
Yeah.
Okay.